Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the pound dollar, I still think this is going to end up growing into a trend. I think it's going to end up looking something like that, probably taking out these highs, making a nice uptrend for either a big wave A or possibly a big wave 1. Either way, it definitely doesn't matter whether it's an A or a 1. The trading strategy is exactly the same either way. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I see a nice impulsive move up. I think it's a 1, corrective down, most likely a 2, and then I see another impulsive move up, which I do not think is over. I think we're in a wave 3, and I think it's going to eventually end up looking something like that. Now, just because I think this is a big wave 3 does not mean that there's not going to be some big pullbacks on the shorter time frames. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can see this uptrend for what I think is a wave 1. I definitely see what looks to be like a three-way pattern down for a wave 2, and I think this is all part of a wave 3. Now I definitely do see like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there, so we may be due for a bigger correction, especially looking at the shorter time frames. I do think it's possible it is going to break structure down and make a bigger correction, which could even be like a 50% or 78% correction to this whole move up. But I still believe that once that correction is over, it will end up continuing the uptrend. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we've had a big mess with price action this week, but if you really pay attention, what do we have on the higher time frames? We have impulsive down, then we have corrective up. If we have impulsive followed by very corrective, you can almost guarantee that it's going to lead to another impulsive move. So I would say the next move is going to be down for a wave C or possibly a wave 3. It definitely could turn into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A, or it could just be an A, B, C and then break structure and then just end up continuing the uptrend. So we're just going to have to watch and see if this next move turns into like a wave 3 or whether it turns into a wave C. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, this is very impulsive down. I was originally the other day thinking that this possibly could be a wave C, but after seeing what happened next, which is extremely corrective overlapping price action, you can almost guarantee when you see impulsive and overlapping that the next move is going to be impulsive down in the direction of the first impulsive move. So I do think that we are going to get another move down for either a wave C or possibly a wave 3 of wave A. Either way, I am going to be looking for a sorting opportunity for the continuation of this move down. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.